Chat GPT, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a chatbot developed by OpenAI. Chatbots are a hot topic in the world of business. Experts predict that by 2023, 85% of all customer service interactions will be conducted via messaging, and those interactions will happen with a bot instead of a human. So in this video, we will discuss how to use Chat GPT to make money online in 2023. You should keep watching if you want to make thousands of dollars with Chat GPT. Number 1. Bots as a service is a game changer. In both B2C and B2B business environments, chatbots are reshaping the technological landscape. Companies are using artificial intelligence creation to automate tasks and operations without incurring additional labor costs. Isn't that incredible? With the modern advances in artificial intelligence software, bots have come a long way. That's the actual reason why businesses are increasingly using them. As a result, you can increase your productivity and get a higher return on investment. Number 2. Use chatbots for affiliate marketing. Chatbots can be used to make money with affiliate marketing. When a user interacts with a chatbot and inquires about where to find specific items, you can refer the user to an affiliate link. And if they make a purchase, you can earn an affiliate commission. Fortunately, assistance is available. By including a chatbot on your website, you may deliver information to your affiliates even when you are not present, while maintaining a dynamic and personable approach. Implementing this functionality allows you to spend less time dealing with typical inquiries and more time on other important duties. Chatbots can also be used to generate potential customers and identify new affiliate marketers. Number 3. Use chatbots for lead generation. Another area of using bots to make money online is through lead generation for your business. Even if you are a newbie, I strongly advise you to consider this strategy, because most businesses aren't interested in the chatbots you're selling. They can be quite interested if you talk about how you can use chatbots to generate leads and drive more sales. Suppose you provide a chatbot for your website users on a specified page. In this case, people are more willing to communicate about their needs with chatbots than to search for products or services online. You can simply capture your potential customer's email address and phone number while providing them with relevant information using a chatbot. This makes the whole process much easier. If utilized and deployed correctly, chatbots may greatly assist organizations in generating potential leads and tracking incoming visitors, their behavior, and their interests. Number 4. Earn money with bots from native or sponsor ads. If you want to supplement your chatbot income or even become an occasional person using bots to make money and change your way of living, it will be through advertising. As we all know, an eye-catching landing page is the first choice for marketers to generate high-quality leads and identify potential customers. On the other hand, if you embed a chatbot on the landing page, you can place ads around it. Looking to the future, marketers are exploring options for landing pages for conversations via chatbots. This works well because data is one of the things that chatbots excel at. Number 5. ROBOTISE your business interactions. It's not only about earning money with chatbots when it comes to monetizing them. By using chatbots to automate customer management, you can cut down on current costs. It takes time, money, and effort for the team to interact with followers. You need to train agents or spend a lot of time responding to consumer inquiries. Every question and every conversation, whether they are difficult requests or basic product questions, will take man-hours that can be put to better use elsewhere. In fact, your team can be backed up, especially during periods of strong customer service demand, which can result in longer response times. You will not have any of these problems with chatbots. They will respond quickly and provide important information to customers as needed. Simple requests for information will be handled gracefully, and customer support demands, such as a refund ticket, will be processed rapidly without the need to negotiate with your staff. I'm sure there are a variety of legal ways to make money with bots. Go ahead and locate one if you can. Please let us know what you think to earn money with chatbots. Allow others to learn about the alternate technique as well. Pretty soon chatbots will be ridiculously popular in the US as well. Are you ready for the amazing chatbot revolution? This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.